Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure you stop before you continue watching and hit that subscribe button, have your bell notification on and all that good stuff. All right, anyways, so without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video, guys. So starting out on hair that is freshly washed, moisturized, and it's stretched. Okay, so I'm just doing my parts, which I will not do on camera because you guys know I have a hard time and I don't want to boil with that. But I have 3 parts, as you guys can see. I have one in the middle going all the way to the back, and then I have 2 on the sides because I'm gonna have braids. Okay, I'm gonna have cornrows on the sides, so I'll do the same on the other side. So let's just cornrow the hair. So I'm starting out by doing a cornrow, which are gonna be like small cornrows on the side. Okay, and I'm gonna be using this shiny gem. Okay, and I was trying it for the first time. All right, so I'm just putting it on the sides. I'm not gonna like soak my hair in with the jam. No, I'm just putting it at the scalp, near my scalp, and then we're just gonna start braiding to have a cornrow. So I'm gonna corner my hair all the way, but not all the way at the back because I'm gonna have like a ponytail. Okay, so I'm gonna take all that hair and gather it at the back. And then after I'm done doing the corner, I'm just gonna twist like you guys can see and put that away for now. Okay, and then next to the next corner, doing the same thing. Okay, but here I was just trying to make sure that I have a nice clean line, so I put the shining gem on the line and just went ahead and clean up the line. But I'm still gonna do the same thing, just have the shining gem near the scalp. Okay, the hair that's near the scalp, and then start braiding. Once again, when I reach the end, I'm not gonna corner all the way until the end, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start twisting it. Okay, and put that away for now. Now for this part, I'm gonna have rubber bands. So I'm sectioning the hair into 3 parts. Okay, so this is the first part. Just gonna have a line and try my best to have it straight, and then I'm gonna use my shining gem to do the to put it around the hair like so. I'm not putting it all over the hair like I did, I'm not putting it all over the hair like I said before, and then I'll just take a brush and like slick it out, to make sure that it's nice and sleek. After I'm done with that, I'm just gonna get a rubber band and put it in the rubber band like so. Make sure it's not too tight, okay? And make sure when you're putting your rubber bands, you have the other hair pulled away. That way it's not getting snagged into the other one. On this one, I had a pretty messed up line, so you guys just ignore it, okay? But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. You know, shining jam, rubber band, and yeah. Just trying to have 3 sections. Okay, I'm gonna do the last one, and then after I'm done, I'm gonna connect those 3 sections. So I'm just taking the hair, twisting it with my shining jam, and then connecting it to the next using a rubber band. Okay, and then I'll do the same with the one on the middle using shining jam, twisting it, and then connecting it to the third one. Okay, so after I'm done with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera. Alright, so we're back. Okay, so I'm just gonna gather all the hair in the back and have a ponytail like I told you guys. I'm gonna use a ponytail holder, and then I'm gonna get some shining jam, you know, try to get my kitchen together, which, guys, it is what it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush that, make sure it's nice and sleek, and then I'll use a rubber band to gather all the hair, and then I'll twist the hair. Okay, just like have a normal twist, and then after I'm done with that, I'll just wrap it around and secure it with the rubber band. Okay, so after we secure with the rubber band, we're gonna use our scarf to further slick down the hair. You know what I'm saying? We got to slick the hair because this is not enough. All right, so to further slick the hair, I'm gonna use this scarf, and then I'll, you know, have it on for like, I don't know, 30 minutes, and I'll be back. Got my makeup all together. Now I'm back. Okay, looking cute, and I'm gonna take out the scarf, and look at what we're looking at. Looks really nice and shiny and sleek. Okay, so I was not sure which one I wanted to use for different reasons. This one, I like this puff because it has like a very big base and it's round, so I feel like it was gonna cover the back really well. But this one, it's kind of like not as round or full, so it's kind of like a long. So I don't know, I was just gonna try both and see which one works best. Okay, so we're gonna start with the puff, but you guys let me know in the comment below which one you think works better. So the puff, I'm just gonna attach it, make sure it's all open because I want it to cover the back. So I'm not even gonna use the drawstring to, like, you know, because I want the whole back covered. So using some bobby pins, I'm gonna secure that and make sure it covers the back really well. Okay, so you just have to work with it, make sure it's sitting nice and it's secure because you don't want it to fall. Okay, okay, so this is how it looks. What do you guys think? I like this. I like how it's covering the back. I like the back like this, and I feel like it looks really natural with my hair, so I like that about this. Okay, so for this one, like I said, it doesn't have like, it doesn't cover the whole back, but I like how full it is and it's long, and I just feel like it goes really well with the hairstyle. So, but you guys let me know. So I'm gonna work with it, put some bobby pins and make sure that it's, you know, covering the back as, as much as it can, the best it can, okay? But you guys let me know which one you like better, okay? But you guys let me know which one you like better. So I'm just gonna fluff it and make sure that it's covering really nice, and make sure I have the bobby pins in all places and all that good stuff. And this is how it looks like, okay? Voila, we're done. And this is the back, okay? And I got these ponytails from Amazon. If anybody's wondering, I'll link them in my description box, okay, for a really good price, like less than $10, guys. You can beat that with a stick, okay? And this is how it looks, okay? I am loving the hair. I'm loving both hairstyles, but guys, comment below and let me know which one you like better. And I actually think you can also wear this with the bun if you want to, okay? Anyway, so this is it for this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Comment below and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I don't know what you're waiting for, okay? Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.